Moondog here. We are at SHOT Show 2026, visiting the folks at Vector Optics. But today we're not looking at scopes or LPVOs.
This is the Owlset HEIM ES X-NANO, the world's smallest thermal optic.
This is a touchscreen thermal. It does have side controls, so that even if you can't use your touch, like if you have gloves on or whatever, you'll still be able to manually change your menu and get into your menu screen. This is going to be out in Q1, hopefully, and maybe I might be able to get a chance to test one of these out. Well, thanks for showing that off to me. This is really a cool product. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Moondog and Rebecca out.
From Vector Optics.
I covered a ton of stuff at SHOT Show. Leave me a comment and let me know which brands or products you'd like to see next. What did you think of the video? Leave me a comment, and you can always chat with me on X, Facebook, or Instagram. You can find useful links in the video description and check out my other videos, channels, and my website, moondogindustries.com.